Recently, I installed an oil catch can on my 2009 Jeep Wrangler. I ended up installing it in a different location and in a different way than was suggested in other YouTube videos. So I wanted to share why and how I did it this way, just to give you something to think about if you're thinking about doing this. There were numerous videos that suggested mounting the oil catch can on the driver's side of the engine bay. It's a logical choice because of the open space available, but I did not like the additional hoses or the look. So I decided to see if I could find other options. My goal was to see if there was a way to use the hose from the PCV valve that was already there. At first, I noticed a possible location in front of the battery. But then I saw something that looked too good to be true. A mountable ledge just in the right spot. It looked like a really good option, so now I had to decide how to mount it. I decided that I would try to create a cradle for it to sit in, and I found this spray bottle that looked just about the right size. I really wanted to get the oil catch can on the vehicle as soon as possible, so I will just keep an eye out for a better looking option and change it out later. The reason I put the catch can on is because I ended up getting an EGR code after driving only 2,000 miles with a new one installed. I looked into the numerous possibilities for this and ruled some of them out. Last fall, when I replaced the upper and lower manifold gaskets, I noticed a nice layer of oil in the manifold. Not knowing if this was common for these engines, I cleaned it out and made a mental note of it. When I got the EGR code again, I decided to take a look in the manifold again. There was definitely a thin layer of oil in there. The PCV valve had already been replaced, and after some research, it appeared to be normal for this engine. While trying to figure out a way to filter this oil out of the line, I came across the oil catch can solution. I was really surprised. I had never heard of one before, but then again, I've never owned a vehicle that needed one. I have been watching the oil level in the catch can, but I don't drive it enough for it to accumulate quickly. So it may be a while until I see a measurable amount. In the meantime, the engine is still purring like a kitten, and I haven't had any more codes. Here is the nice part of installing the can in this location. All I have to do is cut the PCV hose where I need to, use a 5/8 inch to 1/2 inch reducing coupler, and some heater hose for the intake. Then use a 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch reducing elbow coupler to hook the output to the manifold. I could only find these couplers in plastic locally, so I used them until the brass ones that I ordered arrived. Once a professional looking cradle is installed, the system will look like factory. Hopefully this will be a long-term benefit for this engine. Good luck with your project. Thank you for watching.